to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jenny, and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel. And today I'm gonna take you guys on a tour of my home and my fall decorations. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So if you are interested in that, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so here's the porch. I did not sweep it for this video, so sorry about that. But I have this little thankful thing. I had this last year if you saw my home tour last year. This is from At Home. A lot of my stuff is gonna be from At Home and Walmart and Dollar Tree. Those are like my shopping places. And then I have this Hello mat, welcome mat, that is from Walmart. And so is the little buffalo check one underneath it. And then this I found at Dollar Tree, like right when the Dollar Tree got its fall stuff, this was totally there and I thought it was too cute. And then here is my wreath. You guys, I am obsessed with this wreath. I did not make it, it's from Walmart and they do have it back this year. Yeah, this is my porch and it will probably get more stuff on it as the season goes by, just because I'll buy pumpkins and probably a hay bale and who even knows. But yeah, so let's go inside and see what else we have. Okay, so this first room is our kids' schoolroom. I've only done a little bit here in this room, not a ton because it just gets in the way, honestly. But I put up this little fall banner. I had this on my mantle like a couple years ago and I kept it and I thought it was perfect in here. But this room is like one of my favorite rooms in our house because we spend a lot of time in this room. This is our old dining room table that's clearly got like paint all over it. And so I have this little grateful, thankful, blessed with my little essential oils, y'all. Essential oils and homeschool. That's like a huge thing. Then here in the hallway, I have these pillar candles from Walmart. And this little bow is from, like the ribbon is from Dollar Tree. And I just made a little bow there. I love these little sconces. Is that what they're called? These sconces. And then moving on, this is my entry table. I love decorating this one. This one is so much fun to decorate every season. This little tiered tray right here I made from Dollar Tree products. There is a tutorial on it, so I will link that. Almost, yeah, everything on this whole tray is from the Dollar Tree. This is really simply decorated. I just got this sea pumpkin today when I went to grab some placemats, and this is just too cute. I love it, but I'll link the tutorial on how to make this tray. So easy, and it costs like $5. So, and then this little Harvest Hayrides thing is from last year in the Target dollar spot, and so is this little pumpkin. They have tons of pumpkins this year too. I haven't gone back to do another little tour of the dollar spot, but they do have more pumpkins now. And then this little window pane thing is from Walmart, and the wreath is from At Home. And then this ribbon, and these are like little clip-on pumpkins. You can take them off after the season is over, and they are from the Dollar Tree. Another Target Dollar Spot pumpkin, that's from Target Dollar Spot, and all this is from Walmart. A lot of my florals are from Walmart as well. They have the best fall picks. And then that pumpkin candle, I don't even know. Like, have you ever had, do you have anything that you've had for so long, you're like, I don't even know where that came from? And that little pumpkin pillow is from the Target Dollar Spot last year. They do have pillows this year. They're not the same, but they do have some. And then our nest is from Hobby Lobby. Pumpkin is from At Home. And then my little Target Dollar Spot lantern. This is such a fun place in our home and I just adore it. This is from Hobby Lobby as well, in case you're interested in that. And then on the other side of that, this is my kitchen. And anyway, so over here, I have another tiered tray. This one has everything on this is from the Target Dollar Spot, like every single thing. And my mom actually made this tiered tray for me. And I think it's so perfect for my little kitchen. And then this little thing is from Walmart. The pick and the little Pioneer Woman thing is from Walmart. This I'm so excited about. This is new. This is from the Dollar Tree. It was already framed, already printed, and I just added the little bow. That ribbon is from Dollar Tree as well. So easy, and it looks so adorable here. I'm gonna hang it up. I haven't hung it up yet because the sticky stuff hasn't been on for 24 hours yet, and you know how that goes. It'll fall for sure. And this cute little cup, I was so excited to share this with you guys. This is from the Dollar Tree. They have tons of these really cute coffee cup, like hard plastic coffee cups. This is like a hard plastic top as well. This one says blessed, but they had one that said faith and one that said family, some that said hello fall in different patterns. And so yeah, this is our little coffee station, which it's not anything special. And then here, I was so excited about this little alcove when we bought this house, just to be able to decorate. This little ladder was from the Target dollar spot, like in the winter, I think, but it would be super easy to make with Dollar Tree rulers. So, I mean, I think it would be super easy to make. And that Hello Pumpkin is from Walmart. That was a gift from our realtor when we bought our house, so I think it's too cute. And there's my oils. This is from Hobby Lobby and the wine that the owners gave us when we bought the house. And then this cute little drying rack is from the Dollar Tree too. You guys, they have so many cute fall things. I loved the orange and the white with the sort of burgundy, like a lot of my kitchen is in red, and so I just loved that. This is from the Dollar Tree last year. I mean, no, sorry, the Target dollar spot last year. The other two things were a gift, but I love to bring this out during fall. I think it's too adorable. This little setup here, these picks are from Walmart. They have some really beautiful fall picks this year. This little thing was a gift, a housewarming gift, and then this was from the Target dollar spot as well. And then here, I change this every season. It always has these little balls in it, but I threw in a bunch of these pumpkins. I had these on my coffee table last year, but it's not decorated this year, so I threw these in here and I think they're too cute. Target dollar spot has a ton of good ones again this year. And then here's my diffuser. This little guy is from Walmart. They do have him again, and this is from Walmart as well. And then my little candle, no idea where that's from, sorry guys. And then here is my dining room. It's sort of like a breakfast nook. Obviously the dining room we used for school, but I got these tablecloths off of Amazon. I'll link them for you if you're interested. And then that pumpkin is from Walmart, and it is still available this year. I've had it for like 2 years, but it's still available. And that little cake stand is from the Target dollar spot. I'm so excited about these placemats, you guys. I got these at the Dollar Tree. My kids are just like the messiest. I only have 3, so I know this is like an exorbitant amount of placemats, but I wanted one for anytime we had guests or anything like that. And so I think they're so pretty. They look like chalkboard writing. I just think they went so great with the look of the table. And then this table and chairs was made for us, handmade for us, and it matches our TV stand, which I'll show you in just a minute. That box is for recycling because we're good citizens and we recycle. But this little truck pillow I just got at Walmart this year. So super excited about that. That other pillow is actually from JCPenney. And then this was a wedding gift, so we've had this forever. And over here, the florals and little milk can are from the Dollar Tree, and the little pumpkin picks. And then this scripture thing is from Hobby Lobby. So I love this sort of look that this window seat gives off in my kitchen, and it goes so well with my table and my chairs. I just think it's beautiful. And then you come into the living room. There's Buttercup. Hi, Buttercup. Oh, you're a sweet girl. She's just being lazy because that's who she is as a dog. We have red couches. I know that's super intense, but we like them. And then this little milk cart can came from Walmart. The florals came from Dollar Tree. The pick came from Walmart. This is just, I just threw them all together in this milk can. So that was super easy and super inexpensive. And then here is our other couch. Over here, I have another tiered tray, but I actually made this one at a Ladies Fall Fest, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. And then I just have on, I don't even know where that came from, you guys, but they have some really pretty ones like that at the Dollar Tree right now, some glass ones. They're not candles, but they are nice. And then that is definitely from the Target dollar spot. This is from Walmart last year. They do have it again this year. And then this was a DIY that I made a while back, and I just threw in some florals that my sister gave me. There's a little pumpkin peeking out of it. And here is my favorite spot in my entire house. This is my fireplace, you guys. This fireplace is like, I just love the rock. I love the hearth. I love everything about this fireplace. It is so beautiful, and I love decorating it. So here, this little sign is from Walmart this year, and so is the pumpkin. So they have tons of pumpkins, tons of fall decor. I did show a fall decor video from Walmart recently, so I'll link that down below if I remember as well. The pillow is also from Walmart, and so is this pillow. The little hand-picked Farm Fresh Pumpkins pillow is actually from the Target dollar spot last year. And then my 2 little lanterns are from At Home. And then, oh, I love my mantle. Like, I'm so excited. This little pumpkin thing, I don't even remember what it's called, but it is from the Target Dollar Spot last year. They had like regular pumpkins, like a wood color, and then these orange ones, and I love them. I just added that little buffalo check ribbon to them, and I thought it was so fun. And then over here, these were actually, these little floral arrangement things were a DIY on my channel as well. So easy to make. They turned out so well. So I'll link that down below as well. And then this floral piece with the light blue pumpkins is from Walmart. Then these two pumpkins are from At Home, and I love these for a big mantle. I think they are so pretty. And then that tall candle holder is also from At Home. And then these two little guys are from Walmart this year, you guys, and they had an even taller white one, but I loved those two so much, so I had to grab them. And then that like wood looking pumpkin is from At Home as well. It is from Smallwood, and the big window frame and the little door and the grateful sign are from At Home as well. Over here, we have this Gather Together sign, which is from Target Dollar Spot like a couple years ago. And then this fabric pumpkin, which I love so much, it's so cute, is from At Home, and so is this big white pumpkin. And then here's my other DIY piece that I made. And I think I got the blue candle holders from Amazon, so I'll look and see if I can find those. But you guys, this right here is just my favorite part of my home right now. It will be again for Christmas, so I'll do a Christmas home tour as well. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. This little basket is from Target or Walmart, I'm not sure, but those are my kids' blankets. There's one missing, not sure why. And then over here is our TV stand. This we had custom made by the same guy that made our table. He did such a good job. I'll link his Facebook page if you live in Texas and you are interested in that, then I will leave his Facebook page down below. These little candle holders I made in a DIY as well. I love these. My husband helped me because I would have no idea how to drill candle holder holes. And then this leaf is from the Target Dollar Spot, and so is the pumpkin, and the little candle holder that the pumpkin is on is from the Dollar Tree. Those little velvet pumpkins are Dollar Tree pumpkins, and then I have no clue where the rest of that stuff came from. It's Good to Be Home is from At Home as well, which I really like. And then here, the only other fall thing I have in this room is, well, I just made those little bows out of Dollar Tree ribbon. And so that's really the extent of fall on this side of the room. And coming into our hallway, which has sort of a yellow glow to it right now. This we've had forever. This is where we keep our kids' shoes in these little boxes. This little pillow is from Walmart. They have tons of these, the same with the buffalo check like truck one that's in there. And then here is our guest bathroom. So we have, this came with, and there's me, hello. And then this came with the Hello Pumpkin one that's in the kitchen. They came together. And then this little pick is from the Dollar Tree. And this is actually also a DIY that I made. These come like in a silver color, like a metal, and I painted and distressed it and then added this big sign to the hand sanitizer, which had an ugly sign, but I fixed that. And then this candle, you guys, is giving off the best smell in the world. This is by a good friend of mine, Darla. She owns Starlight Soap and Candles, and this is called Fall Festival, and it's in here, but the throw is reaching my entire house. Like, you can smell this everywhere. It's so, so good, and it smells amazing. So I'll link her page down below as well, her website. And then these little ball mason jars I got off of Amazon, but you could buy these and paint them. That was like back before I knew about, you know, DIYing things. All these picks, all these flowers, all of this is from Walmart. So I think it looks so pretty the way it turned out. How long will it last before my kids destroy it? That's a different question. Now, this little ladder shelf that I have, I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. It is so pretty, but obviously I can't link it because I don't know. I mean, I just bought it off of Facebook Marketplace. But here we have a cute little fox. He's also from Walmart. Some poopery and essential. This my mother gave me. This is like one of her old decorations. And then I just put in one of those emergency candles from the Dollar Tree. And then up here, there's Landon. We have this little pumpkin, which we got as a gift as well, but I think it's from Dollar Tree. And that's everything in this room. That is the whole fall scope of this room. Okay, so the only other place that I decorated for fall was in this room, which you will recognize. This is my filming room, and I didn't do a ton in here just because I didn't, but I have two sweet little pumpkins here. Those are both from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. And I love that they're so girly, like one's sparkly, one's pearly. So amazing, love it. And then over here, I just have a couple of pumpkins on my garment rack, and that's the extent of my decorating, you guys. That was really lame of me, but that's what I did. Okay, you guys, that was my fall home tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.